Gold-plated bathrooms at 40,000 feet, bedrooms in the sky, concert halls flying across continents. The world of luxury private jets is more extravagant than most people can imagine. But how did we get from basic airplanes to flying palaces worth hundreds of millions? Welcome to the Mind Metrics. Today, we're uncovering the thrilling history of luxury private jets, from the first private jet ever built to the billion-dollar flying mansions of today. What you're about to discover will show you a world of luxury and private jets that most people never see. The luxury private jet isn't just about transportation, it's about power, status, and the ultimate expression of wealth, the birth of the private jet. Imagine the 1950s. Commercial aviation was uncomfortable and offered no privacy. The concept of a luxury private jet didn't exist yet. But military jet technology from World War II and the Korean War made private jets possible. In 1963, Learjet introduced the Learjet 23, the world's first mass-produced business jet. This wasn't a luxury private jet by modern standards. It was small and basic, designed for speed and efficiency, but it proved private jet travel was possible. Early private jets had simple leather seats, basic carpeting, and minimal amenities. The focus was getting from point A to point B quickly, not on luxury. Private jet travel was about convenience, not opulence. But these basic private jets changed everything. Business executives didn't need to follow airline schedules. Celebrities could avoid crowds. The wealthy understood that private jet ownership was the ultimate status symbol. As more people bought private jets, they started customizing them. Better seats, nicer finishes, upgraded systems. Each private jet owner wanted theirs to be more luxurious than the last. The luxury private jet was being born, the golden age of luxury private jets. By the 1980s, everything changed. Wealthy buyers wanted their private jets to reflect their status. This is when private jets transformed into genuine luxury private jets with amenities rivaling five-star hotels. Rock stars and Hollywood elite led the luxury private jet boom. They customized their private jets with wild designs. Velvet walls, crystal chandeliers, full bars, even waterbed bedrooms. Elvis Presley's private jet featured gold-plated bathroom fixtures and luxury interiors that shocked people. This wasn't just a private jet. It was a flying mansion. Boeing and Airbus realized the potential of luxury private jets. They offered wide-body aircraft, like the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380, as private jet options. These massive luxury private jets could be customized into anything the owner imagined. Customization options for luxury private jets became limitless. Owners installed master bedrooms, marble bathrooms with showers and bathtubs, dining rooms, private offices, and entertainment lounges. Some luxury private jets featured spiral staircases. The private jet became a blank canvas for displaying wealth. Middle Eastern royalty took luxury private jets to unprecedented levels. Saudi princes purchased Boeing 747s and spent hundreds of millions customizing them. Gold-plated everything, sinks, seat belts, toilet handles. These luxury private jets cost more to customize than to purchase. Technology enhanced luxury private jets further. Satellite communications, entertainment systems, concert quality sound. The private jet became an office, home, and entertainment venue simultaneously, all wrapped in unimaginable luxury. The most extreme luxury private jets. The most expensive luxury private jet ever is the Airbus A380, owned by Saudi Prince Al Walid bin Talal, valued at over $500 million. This private jet features a concert hall, a Turkish bath, a garage for cars, and a prayer room that rotates to face Mecca. Roman Abramovich's Boeing 767 is another legendary luxury private jet featuring chestnut interiors, a master bedroom, and luxury amenities. The most expensive feature? A missile defense system. The Sultan of Brunei's Boeing 747-400 is covered in gold. The luxury on this private jet is so extreme that even the trash cans are gold-plated. The private jet features crystal chandeliers and hand-woven Persian carpets worth millions. Some luxury private jets feature hot tubs at 40,000 feet, movie theaters, spas with massage rooms, and entire apartments with multiple bedrooms. These luxury private jets have bathrooms larger than most people's bedrooms. These extreme luxury private jets reveal something profound. At a certain level, luxury isn't about comfort, it's about demonstrating power. These private jets showcase luxury for its own sake. The luxury private jet industry today. The luxury private jet market is worth over $30 billion annually. Manufacturers like Gulfstream, Bombardier, and Dassault produce hundreds of luxury private jets each year. Luxury and private jets have become big business. Who buys luxury private jets? Tech billionaires, hedge fund managers, CEOs, entertainers, athletes, and royalty. All luxury private jet buyers value privacy, convenience, and luxury above all. Fractional ownership democratized luxury private jets. Companies like NetJets allow people to own shares of luxury private jets, making private jet access more affordable without buying an entire aircraft. Customization remains crucial. Buyers spend years designing their luxury private jet interiors, selecting every material and detail. A luxury private jet is the ultimate personalized possession. The environmental impact of luxury private jets has become controversial. One luxury private jet flight can produce as much carbon as an average person produces in a year. The luxury private jet industry is responding with fuel-efficient aircraft and carbon offset programs. Technology continues advancing luxury private jets. Modern luxury private jets feature faster Wi-Fi, holographic displays, and AI systems. Future luxury private jets might be electric or hybrid. The future of luxury private jets. Supersonic luxury private jets are making a comeback. Companies are developing private jets that can fly faster than sound. Imagine a luxury private jet crossing the Atlantic in 3 hours. Space-adjacent luxury private jets might become reality. High-altitude luxury private jets could reach the edge of space, offering incredible views while remaining in a luxury pressurized cabin. Autonomous luxury private jets are being developed. Future luxury private jets might be flown entirely by AI, offering new design possibilities since no cockpit would be needed. Electric and hydrogen-powered luxury private jets are in development. Future luxury private jets might be carbon neutral, combining environmental responsibility with private jet luxury. Virtual reality might transform luxury private jets. Imagine a private jet where walls are screened showing any environment you choose. Your luxury private jet could transform into a mountain chalet or beach resort. The luxury private jet will continue representing ultimate status. As long as there are ultra-wealthy individuals, there will be demand for private jet luxury. For over 60 years, luxury private jets have evolved from basic business tools into flying palaces worth hundreds of millions. The luxury private jet industry has transformed aviation, creating aircraft that showcase the peak of human craftsmanship and extravagance. From the first simple private jets to today's billion-dollar airborne mansions, the journey of luxury and private jets reflects humanity's endless desire for status, comfort, and exclusivity. The luxury private jet isn't just transportation, it's the ultimate expression of wealth and power. Gold-plated toilets at 40,000 feet, concert halls in the sky, Turkish baths above the clouds. These luxury private jets represent what happens when unlimited wealth meets unlimited imagination. The private jet becomes whatever its owner dreams. The luxury private jet has become the most extraordinary status symbol ever created. Not because private jets are the most expensive possessions, some yachts cost more, but because luxury private jets combine technology, mobility, privacy, and opulence in a way nothing else can. The private jet offers the ability to own your own sky, customized with whatever luxury you desire. The thrilling history of luxury private jets isn't just about aircraft. It's about human ambition, the evolution of status symbols, and the pursuit of exclusive experiences. From basic business jets to flying palaces, the luxury private jet industry has created some of the most remarkable machines ever built. What do you think is the most incredible luxury private jet feature? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this exploration of luxury and private jets fascinating, subscribe to the Mind Metrics for more deep dives into the extraordinary worlds of wealth and innovation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.